There's my test driver. He's going to show us how it works. Another treehouse chat. Now this is a lot of fun to do. A friend of mine told me about it and showed me. This is where you shake your car booty. And what you do is you're driving along, not too fast, and you take your steering wheel. Here's your steering wheel. And let's say there's, okay. You put your hand right here. Okay, and then you move your hand real fast this way and then this way, like this. Okay, and what it does, it takes the ass end of your car. There's the back of your car, and it rocks it back and forth. Okay, and it looks like the ass of your car is shaking, shaking back and forth. Anyway, it's pretty fun to do. From behind it looks really, really cool. So anyway, try it out, and maybe you have a friend behind you. Just grab your steering wheel right there. Just go. And you can feel your car going like this. Yeah, don't be going too fast when you do it. But anyway, it's a lot of fun. Alright, onward and upward. Yeah, look at that. That's funny as hell. This is me doing it. I gotta fix my windshield. I love that. If you want to make money trading stocks, you need a tool that works. DDAmanda is the #1 stock screener, and she will find these winning stocks. DDAmanda was written by stock traders, and we wrote a very, very powerful scanner. Our scanner uses both AI and user input to find and research these stocks. And the software is really easy to use. And the scanner has preset values, so getting started is a breeze, guys. Our mission is clear. Our mission is to help you make money by investing in stocks. And after you sign up, we're not going to leave you hanging. We have real-time support. Plus you get an hour of free one-on-one training. And if she doesn't make you happy within 30 days, we'll give you an instant 100% refund, so you've got nothing to lose. Everybody that tries DDAmanda absolutely loves her. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on.